Today we are going to install Word for DOS. Yes, it actually does exist. Anyway, first things first, enter the floppy disk, the setup disk. There's a lot of floppies. You don't need all of them, but still, there's a lot of them. So go to the A drive now, and then type in setup.exe. Now you're in the setup program. Just press enter, enter. Set up on a hard disk. I don't know how to set up on a network. Install a new version. We are not upgrading. I don't have a previous version of Word. Hard drive C. Hard drive D is actually the CD drive, so don't install there. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it the default directory, or I'm gonna leave it default. Anyway, well, do IBM PC XT, AT, PS2, or 100% compatible, 286, 386, or 486. Do that one. And then just do VGA. There shouldn't be a problem with it. I don't know if XGA works, but VGA should work. Do not install print drivers. I don't know any that are compatible. Install the spell checker, install the source, install everything, basically. Do the full installation. Do not update the mouse driver. MSL 7.1 already comes with one, so don't update it. Now here, we're going to customize Word settings. We're going to run it in graphics mode. And this is fine. I mean, here is your preference. Here is also your preference, but I don't know what the function keys did in previous versions or even new versions, so I'm just going to be what they tell me to do. Now you want enter from scrap like it is in newer and current versions of Microsoft Office. If you see 2 shades of blue and 2 shades of red, that should be okay. Like crystal displays only if you actually have a liquid crystal display, even if your host is connected to one. But I have a built-in display on a laptop, so I'm going to do the very first option because that's what I see. I just do letter or do whatever you want. Here's your preference. I'm going to do letter. Now what's program 1? Now wants program 2 disk. Do not actually update the system files. And install the TrueType fonts. Now we got it into the utilities disk. Now it wants the fonts disk. It wants the printers 1 disk. It wants the printers 2 disk. There you go. And that's actually the end. Now you don't even need to restart, just type in word.exe here, and we're already in. This is it, everyone. That's all you needed to do. So I'm going to exit. Hold on, the mouse doesn't really work while I use Cam Studio. But yeah, I'm going to exit it. Bye. Do whatever you want with it.